Today, I will show you Supcline Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount Review. Meet the Supcline Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount, a low-profile mount made for people who want that clean, floating TV look without paying interior designer money. The popular S1801 version is listed for 42:1 00-inch flat and frame TVs with a super thin 0.3 1-inch gap from the wall. Basically, it makes your TV look like it learned how to behave in public.
Oh my god! Wow!
On paper, this mount is all about minimalism. Best Buy's listing says it keeps the TV tightly secured for a seamless look, while eBay listings mention rugged cold-rolled steel and weight support around 173 pounds. Translation: it is not here to swivel, stretch, dance, or do yoga. It has one job: hold the TV close to the wall and look invisible while doing it. If you want movement, this is not your mount. If you want hotel lobby clean, now we are talking. Now, user feedback looks pretty positive. Amazon, Germany says customers like the quality, wall mounting, and stability, with buyers calling it secure and suitable for flat screens. Another Amazon Marketplace review says installation is fairly straightforward, though not 5-minute miracle easy. Basically, it works well, but you still need a level, patience, and the emotional maturity not to blame the wall immediately.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Ultra slim mounts look amazing, but they can make cable access annoying. When the TV sits that close, plugging in HDMI cables can feel like performing surgery through a mailbox. Also, Reddit home theater discussions about slim mounts warn buyers to be careful with installation strength, studs, and wall type. Your TV is expensive, your drywall is not a superhero. Final verdict: the Supcline Ultra Slim TV wall mount is a strong pick if you want a clean, flush, modern TV setup. But measure carefully, check your visa pattern, confirm your wall type, and connect cables before everything becomes flatter than your weekend plans. That's it. Thank you for watching.